everybody. It's wonderful to see all of you here this morning dedicated to fighting breast cancer, and I'm excited to be here this morning, first of all, to thank all of you for your work so we can continue to make strides against breast cancer. But I also want to tell you about another important way that you can fight breast cancer. I'm a volunteer and active member of the American Cancer Society Cancer Action Network, known as ACS-CAN. And why am I involved in advocacy? It's because I'm a 7-year breast cancer survivor who knows all too well the negative impact that breast cancer can have on my life. And I wanted to make something positive come out of that experience and have an impact that reaches beyond the personal. So with ACS-CAN, I have been working with our legislators for increased funding for cancer research and for cancer prevention, screening, and control programs. Just last month, I was in Washington, D.C., sharing our stories, your stories, with legislators and their staff so they know how important these issues are to us. With fellow advocates from all around the state, we met with our legislators and encouraged them to increase funding for the National Breast and Cervical Cancer Early Detection Program. This program, known in our state as the Wisconsin Well Woman Program, provides life-saving breast and cervical cancer screenings for underserved women. At current funding levels, fewer than 1 in 5 eligible women can be screened. And we want increased funding so that all women who are eligible can receive these critically important screenings. We also asked our legislators to increase the funding for cancer research at the National Institutes of Health. The federal government is the largest funding source for cancer research, and we cannot afford to let funding levels stagnate and amazing breakthroughs be left undiscovered. Increased funding for cancer research could mean better early detection, better treatment, and better outcomes for patients. So I'm an ACS-CAN member, and I challenge all of you to become members too. Especially during an election year, we need to tell our elected officials and the candidates for office that we care about cancer issues. They need to know that we can reduce cancer deaths in our community by adequately funding research and cancer prevention, screening, and control programs. It's time to let our elected officials know that the status quo is not acceptable. So please, add your voices to mine. Thank you so much, and good luck on the walk.